I may have made this video before, who knows? I make a lot of videos, but this is me showing you how we fold up 2 sections at a time on a 40 wide or other laced tents so that we can make the next setup faster. So we have one guy on each end, one guy in the middle, because this is 40 feet long and 2 guys can't fold it real well. So we just all fold it. Then once it's in 2 long strips like this, we do 1, 2, 3 and flip it, and then get it all nice and more straight than that. And then we usually have someone take off their shoes and walk all over it just to compress it down a little bit.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm gonna watch you do one.
Then we fold over each end, but not all the way into the middle, just about.
That's good, don't go too far.
% to 3/4 of the way.
Do that the right way with him down there. Go put your arms under both. And only go a little bit. That's good.
And the reason we don't fold it all the way in the middle is because then this middle would just be very, very big and hard to roll. So we offset the big parts, the 2 ends and the very middle of these 2 sections, so that when you roll it, it's not hitting one big section and making it a very big roll. You roll it, it goes over the first section that's going to be big, then settles in, then goes over the next section, then settles in, then over the last section and settles in, and then it's a nice tight roll.
Yo, we're way too fast at this. We're going to be going to one of those 30 by 60s and emptying it out. I'm not taking it down, but we're going to go empty it out, you know. What's that?
Huh?
What?
I said, I love how we stopped rolling to look at you and listen.
Oh, look at that, guys. That is so fucking tight. That is tight, like Jake's mom. Did you know that joke was coming?
It was gonna be one of our.
Oh, get it, guys. Yeah. Treat that like that's some. I'm gonna cut that. I couldn't have a joke. Boom.